Hey guys, in case you missed it, this is what we did in class last time we were together, and we're doing an interior space in 1-point linear perspective. And this is as far as we got. I want to do a fireplace, a couch, a rug, a window, and a table at least. The fireplace proved to be quite challenging for some people, but take a few steps back. This will make things so easy for you if you're looking. I put the horizon in about, I don't know, it's about 2 inches down from the top of the paper roughly. I'm thinking about the eye level of a person walking into the room. And remember, the vanishing point is just where your eye is looking at that moment. And I put the vanishing point in left of center of the paper. It's about 3 inches in from this edge. Okay. You don't have to measure; you can just copy this. But if you feel like you must, this was 2 inches down. This is 3 inches over on a regular size piece of drawing paper or cartridge paper, whatever you're using. So I'm going to trace from the vanishing point from this corner out. I have to align my ruler with this and this. It has nothing to do with the corners of the paper, because this could be anywhere. And trace a line here, just continue it. And right away, it's kind of looking like we're pulling into the garage. Being careful with paying attention to where I put my ruler on the X and then on the point, the corner. Okay, looks like driving the car into an empty garage to me. I decided that I wanted like a hallway over here, like, you know, you get up from the couch and you're going to go in here to go into the kitchen and go to the bathroom or wherever you're going. So I just put another vertical line right here. And this might be like that little strip of wood in between the carpet and the tile that you see sometimes, but let's take that out. A horizontal line here. And now already we can see we have a space where we could go, and we're walking through right there. We'll do some more over there later. Okay, this will be one wall. Okay, this wall is perpendicular to us. If we're standing here, it's running away from us. We're looking straight at this wall and this wall. So if I draw anything on this wall or this wall, I can just draw it as if I'm looking straight at it. Like here's a picture, you know, the Mona Lisa. It's just a straight up and down. Here she is. And there's the picture frame. And that's it, done. If it's over here, of course, it's much bigger if it's closer to me. Here she is again, smiling, right? But it's just a horizontal and a vertical. There's no orthogonal line. No vanishing point line. But if it's on any of these walls that are going away from me, left or right, floor or ceiling, I have to distort it using the orthogonal line. Let's begin with the fireplace. I'm going to draw the fireplace as if it's a cardboard box, and I'm drawing the bottom of the cardboard box first. It'll be something like this. Just the bottom of it. But let me do it right. This line should be parallel to this one. This is a horizontal line. And then I'm deciding my width. I have to start to get a sense of size. I kind of already am, because I know that if a person was in here, their head would be about here, because your head, you know, you have so much room until you hit the ceiling. I'm starting to get my artistic senses about me. And I'm going to go ahead and go from there to there. This part's getting cut off a little bit off of the page. That's okay. That's normal. We want that. All right. Switch markers. So I do this just to help me. I mean, I could do it faster, but I'm trying to show this in a simple way. That I do the bottom first. Then I'm going to do that side of the box. It's touching the wall, but it's not going into the wall. Here's the corner where the wall meets the floor. And then up again. Thinking about how high is this fireplace. To here, I think. And you see what I've done. All right. I made the one side of the box and then the other side of the box of the fireplace. But in this world. So now that I have that, I have this to use. So go up to the vanishing point, go to here. I can use this too. There's the top of my fireplace. Not sure where to stop it. Yes, I am. I stop it right here, where these two intersect. Vertical. And then I know where this would be. Keep it horizontal. Get rid of this, it's just confusing. Get rid of this because it's confusing. And this, and all of this. And now I have like a fireplace that has no hole in it. But you can see it. This could become an entertainment stand or a bookshelf or whatever it is. Just make it skinnier, it'll be a refrigerator. I'm going to draw the mantle. I mean, we have to have a place to hang the stockings. I'm just doing the simplest one I can think of. Excuse me. So I want to find the center of this. I'll put an X through it from corner to corner. This demonstrates to us the way linear perspective works, making things get smaller as they go back. This is the halfway point. This side is greater in width than this side because it's getting smaller. So that would be the middle. It's going to help me get the opening of the fireplace more accurate. I'm going to go up to where it hits that X, part of the X. You have to try it to see. Like I don't even know if you can see how well you can see this image, but it will all work for you. Okay. Make some mistakes. Highly encouraged. And I need like a little stone here, I guess, for the fire to sit on. And then I'm just gonna, I would make this much more complex if I were really drawing something, but that's the fireplace done for now. I'll put bricks on it or whatever I can do. Put a clock up here. There's much more, okay? The couch, let's do next. I don't put my couch right up to the corner. I'll have a little space in there. I shouldn't because that's where my dog always puts its toys and then it can't get them. It makes me get them. But I'm just going to sketch. I want like the footprint of the couch to be like, say like this. Again, I'll start with the bottom. If you ever move furniture, you can see that's the cleanest part of the carpet, right? Where the couch was, where nobody walked. It's something like that. Do you get it? And that'll leave me room for like a little end table over here. And it's just going to be a simple couch. So, but I have room for it back there because I know even though it's a big couch, it's so much smaller because it's the farthest thing away in the room. So let me really draw it. I'll use the vanishing point. Horizontal. So you know these are called orthogonals. It just means it's perpendicular. It is perpendicular. So if I have a line that's going horizontally, and one that's going vertically, the line going away this way, it's still perpendicular. It's just facing away from me. Okay. I think I'll make the couch, the bottom of the couch first. So I'm using my artistic ability again. I'm thinking like, well, from the floor to where my armrest is on my couch, it's only about that high. Start simple and then add sophistication for easier understanding. Right. This is like the part where the armrest is, straight across. Again here, same width, doesn't change this way, it only changes that inward. We're looking straight at that front of that couch. These should be exactly equal, A and B. And there's usually like a bit of the couch here that supports the cushions, and then the cushions. This goes back, this is where you put your elbow. See that? And then this is where you put your rear end, and you sit, relax after a long day. I do some deep couch sitting sometimes on the weekends. I have to get up and get motivated sometimes. All right. Seems like it's a little crooked. Correct it. And now I'll just do the back of the couch. I'll make the back pop up, pop it up. A little bit of an edge right there. It's getting very close to the horizon though, so it becomes just like a little sliver. Again, using that, cut that away. And I have like a basic couch. I'll probably divide these into 3 equal sections. When I'm looking at something straight on, I can divide it with the ruler. So even 3, 6, 9. That's good. I mean, it's okay. It's okay. I could start to round that a little bit, make it look a little more natural, clean it all up. Okay, that's decent. That's decent. Let's do something easier. Let's do a rug. This is just on the floor, but I got to get you to visualize. If something is on the floor, we have to use orthogonal lines. Something, the couch has a rug in front of it. It's going to be about that big. Just draw these. Can't hold my ruler straight. You're the artist, you know, you decide the size. That looks strange because it looks so vertical, you know, that's just where it happens to be. But if I made the rug a little longer, you can trust perspective, it's going to be right. There we go. I like to be fancy and put a little fringe on the end of the carpet, just because it's fun. I know a lot of you guys out there have a lot of creative energy, strong brain, lots of ideas, that you see things in life and you remember. Maybe on this rug, I'm going to have like a diamond pattern. So again, I'm going to find the middle. I'm going to divide that again. I'm cutting it up. That's going to be this. I'm trying to make even sections. I'm using the X. Even though it's distorted, the X will always show you the middle. Okay, so if I do this, then I get a perfect distorted diamond here. I color this in. I'm going to cut it up again. So this is the midline. This is the middle of it going this way. I'll put it. I can make a diamond that goes through this. See, there. X. had a rug that had great big diamonds on it, this is what it would look like. If they were all the same exact size, in perspective now, they're distorted. I think I'm going to make it like tan, blue and tan. See what it looked like. All right, I like it better like this. Yeah. Good. All right, let's do a window. Right here. 2 verticals, 2 orthogonals. That's a TV, although I wouldn't want to watch TV there, hurt my neck. The window frame would be skinnier here, wider here. I can see the horizon outside. Maybe there's like a tree out there. A couple bushes in the yard. Clouds in the sky. And this is where the sky meets the ground. This is my yard. Okay. The rest of this I wouldn't see. I left that in so I would know where it was, but I could always find it again by just making a horizontal line through the X. Now we're getting somewhere. It's starting to look like a room somewhat. What's left? Well, nothing except the table, which I wanted to put here, but that's a little too hard. I think I'll put it here. Going completely off the page. That's enough. Here's my doily. I don't want to cheat. You know what? You can do the doily. I'm going to let you go because the video is getting long. And I probably have like something on the table, candlestick, whatever it is. Okay. That's how we do it. We're going to put a bathroom over here. Probably maybe I'll actually put a table over here. But that's the way we do the interior space. Put a chandelier, put a nice painting above the couch, something up here. Maybe that's where the TV will be, or I'll do whatever I do. Okay, there's our basic layout. Let's try and practice it.